Assessor guidelines. Do's. Before the assessment, assessment body will try to allocate a batch at least 1 week in advance to you. You should confirm within 24 hours to assessment body about your availability. Ensure you have given at least one alternate number to the coordinator. Talk to coordinator and confirm date, time and mode of assessment and facilitator availability for the assessment. In case of pen and paper assessment, find out how the papers are coming to you by email or hard copy. Do's. Before the assessment, in case of travel, reach the city well in advance so that they reach well in time. In case of long distance travel, please reach at least one night earlier so that you have sufficient rest. Plan your travel, stay well in advance. In case of travel, booking or stay related issues, please consult coordinator. In case you are going to be late for the assessment due to unavoidable circumstances, inform coordinator well in advance. In case of an emergency and you are not able to conduct the assessment circumstances, inform coordinator well in advance. Ensure carrying the assessment kit, which should include pen paper pen mode, attendance sheet, question paper, theory response sheet, practical response sheet in a sealed envelope, students feedback form, TP feedback form, annexure M. Ensure carrying the assessment kit, which should include offline tab based mode, attendance sheet, adequate tabs, charger, power bank, pen drive, storage, connectivity device. Students feedback form, TP feedback form, annexure M. Assessor guideline. Ensure carrying the assessment kit, which will include online mode, attendance sheet, check with coordinator on the availability of desktops with net connectivity, tab for practical assessment, charger, power bank, pen drive, storage, connectivity device, student feedback form, TP feedback form, annexure M. On the day of assessments, assessor or representative must be in formals, well dressed on the assessment day. Assessor should carry his Aadhaar card. Assessor should carry assessment body issued ID card with him and he should display it throughout the assessment. Assessor should check practical lab and availability of required raw material required for the assessment. In the absence of raw materials to conduct the practicals, inform the training team and make the arrangements before assessment. Assessor should check with the ID card of each candidate before starting assessment. Assessor must report the attendance and signature of each candidate for both theory and practical. Ensure that assessment starts at the scheduled time. In case of pen and paper assessment, please ensure you open sealed envelope in presence of the students. Assessor should brief all the students about the process of assessment, theory and practical. Assessment methodology should also be explained. The assessor should be present in the center throughout the test. Assessor should ensure that tests are conducted strictly within the norms. If assessor or representative notice any unauthorized action while assessment, should report to the assessment team and training team as well as, and should wait till the instructions, necessary actions. After the completion of the theory, assessor is responsible for conducting practical for all the attendees. While the practical is in progress, individual scores should be awarded as per the set guidelines. Assessor should ensure that all the materials are taken from center before leaving the center. Assessor must take a picture of candidates attending both theory and practical. Assessor to ensure annexure M or any other additional requirement is filled as per guidelines. Assessor to prepare an assessment report and submit all original documents of the assessment along with the report with clear evidence of conformance, non-conformance for each candidate assessed. Assessor feedback and TP declaration or feedback form to be collected from TP with sign, seal, date and time. Assessor guideline after post assessment. The assessor should ensure to send all the materials like attendance report, corrected questions papers, and all other important documents to the head office through a designated courier within 24 hours of the assessment. Due to emergency, if you are not able to correct the question papers, still send the courier back at the earliest to head office. Assessor should ensure he sends correct invoice with bills in case of travel or stay with the invoice within 24 hours. In case of offline tab based assessments, please ensure the scores are synchronized and you have to receive green signal from coordinator. Ensure picture quality of all pictures is correct. You have collected and sent all the materials to the head office. Don't, before assessment, talk to training partner for anything. Without intimation, remain absent for the assessment. In case of pen paper assessment, share the question paper with any person. Don't on the day of assessment. Malpractice during assessment should not be entertained. Assessor should not compromise with training partner or candidate. Assessor to ensure that training partner is not involved during any time of the assessment. Training partners arranging snacks and lunch for assessor should not be encouraged. Assessment material should never be shared with training partners at any point of time. Any kind of malpractice compromise will lead to legal consequences. Send someone else on your behalf to conduct the assessment. Post assessment don'ts. Changing the scores in paper or tab by any means. Reveal scores with any person or candidates of training partner. Late dispatch of question paper, invoice or other material. Sending invoice without any bills for additional reimbursement.